Welcome, children. Now, after addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, now we will study about brackets and off, that is total bod mass, full bod mass. Okay. Now see what is here. BODMAS is bod mass. BODMAS is bod mass. Okay. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now see, children, while solving an expression, involving multiple operations, we need to follow the sequence of operations defined in BODMAS. Okay, so while solving the operation, any expression given to us, when we are solving it, involving what operations, we need to follow the sequence of operations defined in BODMAS. Okay, sequence of operations defined in BODMAS. Here, just now I explained you in the BODMAS, B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Okay, now according to BODMAS, we must solve the brackets first, because B is at the first. So if any expression is given to us, we will solve the bracket in that first. If bracket is there, so we will solve bracket first. Then we will go to off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So let's take an example over here, right? Example is 1 by 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 of 4 plus 2. This is the expression. This is the expression, right? 1 upon 2 of 4 plus 2. This is the expression. So what we have done, children? 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 upon 1. This 4. This 4 we have taken. This 4 we have taken. This one. 1 upon 2 cross multiplication 4 upon 1. Now what will cross multiplication we will do first. Cross multiplication, right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2 twos are 4. Now we will just multiply this. We have just divided it. Cross we have done. We have just divided it. 2 ones are 2, 2's are 2 twos are 4. Now we will multiply 1 into 2. How much? 1 into 2 is 2. So this 2 we have got. This is over. This first part is over. Off is over. Plus 2 is given. So plus 2 is equal to 4. We got the answer. Now then let's take one more example over here. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 of 12. Okay, children, and 1 upon 4 is given in the brackets. So what we will do? First we will solve the bracket. In whole expression, first we will solve the bracket, because BODMAS starts with bracket. So how we will do? This is addition of fractions. When the denominators are same, you can write same denominator here also. If the denominators are different, then we will solve it first LCM, then we will take the denominator. Okay, but here denominators are same, so we are writing directly the same denominator. Then 1 plus 1, 2 over. Now 2 by 4. This is 2 by 4 of 12. 2 by 4 of 12, right? So 2 by 4 of 12. Now we will solve off. bracket is over. We have solved the bracket, we got this answer. Now of 12, now we will solve of. So 2 by 4, cross multiplication sign, 12 by 1. Now let's divide. Let's divide diagonally. 4 ones are 4 threes are 4 ones are 4 threes are, right? Now multiply. 2 threes are is 2 into 3 upon 1 is 6 upon 1, that is 6. Okay, this we have got. Now till here, from here to here we have solved and we got the answer 6. Then next expression we will write as it is. Divided by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 minus 2. Now bring it here. Now what we will do? We will divide. First division. So 6 divided by 3, we will get answer 2. 6 divided by 3, that means 3 2s are 6. 2. Multiplied by 2 plus 5 minus 2. Now next is multiplication. 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 minus 2. Now addition. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. So what is your answer? 7 is your answer. So did you understand, children, how we have done? First we have solved the brackets. Then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally it is subtraction. In a sequence, BODMAS sequence, in a sequence. Okay, hope you all have understood this. Now I am going to send you some work as well as some questions which you need to solve. Okay, then let's meet in next class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home.